That's it, folks. I beat all of these challenges in this area. Alright, let me go to my... There we go. I'm gonna use this new gadget. This is where you have to match. You have to find the white, green places to the white ones. If not, then you have to go back and then try it again, and if not, you have to start all over. It sucks. Oh man. I am going to the space station, and after that, I'm saving it, and that will be all. Yeah, man. There we go. Deep space. Here we go.
All right. Input the password now. Check. Here goes. You better check that code. I am sure it was correct. The defenses are attacking us. We've got to hold them off until Fizzwidget gets here.
Hello. Okay, you wanna fucking hurry up. Before the freaking repair robots repair these turrets. Defenses. Oh yeah, I did it. That was like 20 seconds.
Implausible. Unless, this is Tuesday or Wednesday. Anyway, sorry to have missed our meeting, but I was called away to film a commercial for our weapons facility.
But, sir, what about the
Commercial? I was great! Here, watch this.
Megacorp keeps you warm, keeps you healthy, and now keeps you safe. Hello, I'm Abercrombie Fitzwidget, and I'd like to welcome you to the new Megacorp Weapons Facility. We offer guided tours to show you how our weapons are made. Our highly trained experts spend their day creating the latest in heavy-duty weaponry to protect you and your whole family. So stop by today and bring the kids. Our tours are both informative and fun. And who knows, you just might learn something.
That was one handsome fellow, eh, boys? Fizzwidget out.
Sir, wait! Mr. Fizzwidget, come in.
Perhaps we can still find him at the weapons facility.
No, lost the weapons facility. But I'm gonna do this. It's okay, I got something. And one more. And there we go. Wow. Okay, these robots are fucking easy as hell. Come on, drones. Alright, now it's just the waste one. I'm going so fucking fast I cannot stop. Oh my god. Woo! Alright, go into weapons facility and then save it. Alright guys. That is it for today, well tonight, actually it's in morning. So I will make videos tonight when I wake up or something, so I don't know. I will see you guys later.